everyone, this is Eric back again with Auto Replay, and we're going to work on this purple monster just for a few minutes. As we walk through this garage, we're going to turn this electric scooter off my son's got. Alright, went ahead and got the key for it, and I'm going to get my trusty old socket set here. And let's walk back to the car. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and open this thing up, take the battery out, and we'll work on charging it up. I got a little Trickle charger. I'll show you. Yeah, I think this thing's open. Alright, what's that? Put a latch right there. We need this thing. Yeah, pop this up. I do need that little hood latch thing. This should be fairly simple, just a 10 millimeter, I believe, right there on the positive negative. Take the battery tray out, then we'll go ahead and charge it. So we got the hood prop in place here, and we got our 3/8 ratchet. Good Lord, there's a 10 millimeter here. So let's go ahead and put that on there, and we'll take the battery loose, and we'll take this battery hold down off also. So anytime you're working on the battery, you gotta make sure that you don't have this touching anything else, because you will have a spark. So let's go ahead and get this loose here. If I had this touching, obviously when come back to here, or if these two started touching here from there to there, that would cause a major spark and probably blow up some stuff in the car. So we don't want to do that. So it's going to take that loose first, get that out of the way. We'll take this loose and work on this battery tray, and then I'll show you my Trickle charger that we're going to use to actually see if we can keep this battery alive for him, save him a little bit of money. And he might need to just buy one, but I got the Trickle chargers and stuff. That's a little dirty. Yeah. What size is that right there? It might be a 10 also. Let's get a deep socket 10. Let's see, that'll work right there. Look at there, it's a deep socket 10. Alright, let me work on getting converter piece. Alright, so I got the little extension. Let me just get what I got to make it work. I'll take this loose here. Probably loosen the rest by hand, and still when you're taking that off, make sure you don't have the positive and negative touch. This is metal, but that's plastic. But if this was metal going across, you don't want to take it loose and then have it put a big spark in the car. Go ahead and get this out the way. Go from there. Oh, there you go. Purple monster here. Yeah, we're gonna have Corey over here. When he just buy one day, he'll talk about his little car he got, and then we'll look at working on this driver's interior door handle. So I'll look at probably ordering that. I may just go ahead and just do it. I think it's like $8, so it's nothing really crazy. And if you ever see these battery hold downs on these old cars, there's like a little hook down here. I'll show you right there. See that? That just hooks in like a little latch down there. So let's go ahead and we'll just put this back in the car. So when he's ready to come pick it up, all these parts will be right there. And that's gonna be the door handle that we're gonna look at replacing on the driver's side. From what I see, everything else looks like it's in pretty decent shape, I don't think anything really needs to be fixed. We could probably look at the AC, I think, too. Maybe I'll talk to him about that, see if he wants to look at checking. Okay, here's the AC high pressure line, so we could get some gauges, and there's that side. Oh wait, no, here's a high pressure line. Here's a high right here. That was off. Being the O2, this is probably R134A anyway, so we just take a set of gauges, hook it up here and here, hang it and look and see if it's got some Freon in it. If not, I can get a vacuum pump and vacuum it down and all that good stuff. So that might come. We'll see. We'll have to check to see if the AC works. So let me go ahead and pull this battery out. Not holding it down. We're just gonna put it in the garage and you know, see if we can keep it alive for him. That'll save him 60 bucks. And oh, that's fine right there. Go ahead and put all our tools back in the right place. So that time, next time we go ahead and find all this stuff. This was a nice Christmas gift for me. I don't have any like major videos we're doing right now. This is just kind of little simple stuff, you know. All right, so let's go ahead and close this up. I guess I could have checked the AC, but nah, the hell with it. We'll check it after we got a good battery charge, and you know he's about to come pick this dang car up. So it's not just sitting, because I'm not about to dump a lot of money in this myself. The hell with that. So we're gonna close her down. All right, so I want to show you, this is the battery tender 800 automatic battery charger right here. And this is a good trickle charger. It'll bring the battery back and keep it stabilized. I did have it on this battery for the Mercedes-Benz and just sitting. It's a refurbished battery anyway. I figured I might as well keep it going until I can find another car or do something with that car back there. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and put his battery on it. He might be a couple months out, but I got 2 of those anyway. I just got to go get the other one. And instead of keeping it here in the house, I may just keep it at the office and just let that trickle charge. So anyway, the black prong would go on this negative side. You always want to make sure you're on the negative side. You can see that. That's negative and that's positive. Always verify. Just because there's a green and a red doesn't mean that's right. Always verify it. And basically just open it up and clamp it around. Then you plug it in. So you take the cord and plug it into this outlet up here. So I think it goes, you know, only one way. So, and then it'll be yellow while it's charging. So once it gets all the way charged, it'll be green, and it'll keep it at a green status. So we'll just let it keep it until he gets here. Yeah, see it's red right now. So it's slow, you know what I mean? And when it starts getting fully charged, it'll be green. And I'll bring a second one, or just move these to the shop kind of thing. So right now, you know, it's little short videos like this I'm just making, just kind of show you the progress of actually what we got going on here at the house, man. It's not really much. Not doing anything major to the SUV. I'll show you what's going on, what I've been doing. I've actually been buying dividend stocks with my money. I've been listening to Grant Cardone and Stephen Graham, and talking about putting your money where it can actually pay you every month, you know what I mean? So I'll do a little video on that, maybe coming next, about using Robinhood. It was already an app I already had set up, and they gave me free stock. So I'll go ahead and put you a link down below, and then you go ahead and sign up for your own free stock. I mean, I don't even know if I get a commission or anything. Who knows? I mean, probably not much anything, but it does help you, you know, make passive income. So that's what we're working on now, is making passive income where things will actually pay for itself and pay you money every month. So I'll give you a little breakdown on that, kind of where we're at, and that's where I've been going, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. See you later.